In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to use the SEO all-in-one plugin. First, you want to go to plugins. If you haven't installed the plugin yet, you want to go up here, click on Add New, search the SEO all-in-one pack or all-in-one SEO pack. We've already activated it, so once it's installed, you want to click on Activate. And then from there, you'll actually go into your settings menu once it's activated, and you'll see the all-in-one SEO pack options. You can also see, since we activated it, we do have a red line here saying, or a red box here saying that it's not configured yet. We're now in the configuration options. This allows you to donate to the developer of the site, which we recommend doing since they're nice enough to give it away for free to us. We want to then just go through these menus and set up everything that we want to on our site, how we want to set it up. So this is just optional. You can click on this. Plugin status disabled. We want to click on enable it. Home title. Now this is going to be important for your search engine optimization because it's going to talk about the title tag of your home page. So you want to be very keyword specific and title specifically to what your website is about. In our case, it's digital strategy guide. And we can type or wv for less. Now you really want to stick to the title on this. This is just kind of for example purposes that we're just typing in here. The homepage description. The more keyword specific you are, and the more honest you are about your site details, the better off you're going to show up in search engines. If, for example, you are a site about shoes, but you're writing about shirts, they're going to figure out through your products and through your keywords on pages that one thing doesn't match the other, and you'll get dinged for that, and they won't come back and visit you as often. Home keywords, this is where you're going to put in your metadata for your website. This will be the meta tags that are set up on your main home page. These are keywords that are specific to you, your product, your industry, all the different keywords that pertain to your product or services, how you want when people search for them. I'd recommend doing a Google keyword search and many other keyword searches in order to come up with a set of about 30 or so of these keywords. Then you'll go through post title format. This is really going to be the formatting of how your pages will set up. The importance of this is that when your page loads, and for instance up here we have digitalstrategyguide.com/WP admin, we want to make sure that our pages load in the actual name that the page is titled. So for instance, if you're selling computers online, you want to have digital strategy, whatever URL is, /computers or computer services or whatever the name is. You don't want page number 5 to be the page number, which is how a lot of content management systems automatically set that up. So what this does is this automatically forces the pages to read how their titles are as you assign the pages. If you haven't gone or aren't familiar with pages and how they're set up, you can follow one of our other tutorials on our website or on our YouTube channel. But these are automatically set up to default to the page title with a line in front and then the blog title. Page title, blog title. We could do just page title if we'd like. We could get rid of blog title on this page title format. It all depends on how you want to have it set up, but it's most important is that your keywords from the titles on your actual pages are populated as people navigate throughout the site. For title format, this is not found error. This is more or less when you're monitoring your site through Google Webmaster Tools to figure out what 404 errors were returned. Custom post types for SEO column. you can click on these options. Use categories for meta keywords. What this will do is it'll actually use the categories that you set up on your blogs for meta keywords, which is probably not a bad idea. Use tags for meta keywords. So as you're tagging, which is using keywords within the posts on your website, it'll use these as keywords within your website. If you're unfamiliar with posts, I would go to our other tutorial on our YouTube channel or on our website in order to learn about that. And then you'll just go into here and you can exclude various pages, additional post headers, so you can actually put in different headers. And then finally, you're going to want to do update options. And what that's going to do is that's going to enable the plugin. You can see how the red bar up top went away, and our site's configured with all-in-one SEO. From here, you're going to want to view the analytics to your website. As you're viewing analytics over time, over the months, over the quarters, over the years, what you're going to do is you're actually going to want to kind of flip these keywords around depending on where your campaign is. Maybe you find out that one keyword doesn't work, and that there's other keywords that should be in their place, or you should add keywords, or you find that people are coming from other sites that have to do with a whole different product line, and you want to add pages with information on that. Any which way you look at it, that you would come into all-in-one SEO pack, and you can change and update this data.